Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into IKEA India, but with a twist. We're playing the ultimate game, Guess That Price. Can you guess how much these IKEA finds really cost? Alright, let's get started. Let's see how many prizes you can get right. Let's go to the furniture section first. First up, sofas. Oh, this sleek one right here. What do you think? 17,990 or 38,990? Lock it in. And the real price is 38,990. Did you get it right? Next up, this white sofa looks expensive, right? I'm guessing 58,000. Let's see what we have. 89,990. That's quite pricey. IKEA, chill. Now, this sofa bed situation. This got to be about 1 lakh, right? But it's actually 49,990. Not bad. Let's move ahead. What do we have here? Ooh, love the lamp. Okay, I would say this cost 2,990. Am I right? Or am I right? Nailed it. What else do we have? Maybe a mirror? 7,990? But maybe I'm overestimating. Love this bookshelf. What do you think? Under 15,000 or over? Don't cheat. Comment your guess before I flip the tag. 13,990. Absolute steal. Okay, wow. That's actually not bad for the quality. If you need a sign to get a bookshelf, this is it. We have some lovely lights. I'm guessing 2,990. Yep. Are we seeing a pattern here, IKEA? Is it your favorite number? Ooh, love the color on this one. It's a beautiful teal. I would say this might cost, say, 25,000. What do you think? $35,990. Wow. Do you think that it's worth that? These vases for $499. Love. Okay, now guess the price on this one. These are baskets that can be used for whatever you want. How much do you think this costs? And $699. Did you get it right? Came across a standing desk as well. How much would you pay for a standing desk? I don't know, like 30K? Oh, IKEA is like, nah, 25,990. Let's go ahead. Love these round glasses. Very trending and aesthetic right now. I would say maybe it costs around 6,990. Oh my god, you guys, I'm really good at this. We have these plant crates. 3,000 maybe. Okay, 3,990. Maybe for one that is quite expensive. Let's walk ahead. Found another lamp. I think you already know how much I'm gonna guess, right? Let's say it together. 2,990. Okay, plot twist. It's 1,990. IKEA, make up your mind. Okay, time for a break. So, what do we think of the IKEA prices? Comment below and let me know your thoughts. Also, if you haven't, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, final stretch. Glasses are quite affordable at IKEA, which I love. 170 bucks, and it's on discount, and you get 6 of them for 149. Wow, that's incredible. And these glasses for 129, totally worth picking up if you ask me. Welcome mats, 299, not bad at all. Is there a you're not welcome mat? Okay, moving on to the last section, which is the light section. stunning lamp. Say it with me. You know it. 2990. No, okay, 1990, guys. Go buy it now. How much do you think this one is? What? $3.99? That's amazing. And that's a wrap on today's IKEA's guessing game. Comment below, let me know if you like watching these kinds of videos. Do make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon so you don't miss the next adventure. And I'll see you all soon. Bye.